If you're thinking about using Roman or Ro for weight loss or other telehealth services, stop scrolling. Today we're diving into everything you need to know, from user experiences to what's actually offered on their site. This review is based on research from official sources and independent user reviews. Let's get into it. According to Roman's official website, which is ro.co, Roman positions itself as a digital health clinic for men and women, offering treatments for conditions like weight loss, erectile dysfunction, hair loss, and more. They promote a streamlined experience, online visits, medical evaluations, and home delivery of prescriptions, all without having to leave your house. The platform promises board certified providers, discreet packaging, and insurance support for select medications, including weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic. According to Trustpilot, Roman has a 3.7-star rating from over 1,800 reviews. Here's what users are saying. Many reviewers say the process is fast and smooth, especially for weight loss programs. One user praised the communication and speed of getting insurance approvals, saying they'd recommend Roman to anyone seeking a healthy change. For the mixed experiences, some users noticed missing product quantities, such as gummy containers missing 3 to 4 pieces, raising concerns about transparency. Others felt the support team was helpful through the prescription process. For the negative feedback, a common complaint is the difficulty canceling subscriptions. One reviewer described it as a runaround, calling the process intentionally complicated to prevent users from leaving. They warned, buyer, beware. While according to Reddit users in various threads, one user said Roman was great at first, but when it came time for a dose increase of medication like Wegovy, communication dropped off, leaving them without meds for weeks. Another described Roman's support as non existent, especially when trying to get compounded medications or resolve insurance issues. A frustrated customer in California claimed that Roman made promises they couldn't deliver, such as access to compounded tirzepatide, only to later find out those options weren't available in their state. Multiple users agreed that support messages took days, and that having an RX through RO or RO is pointless if they can source the medication. Roman may offer a convenient entry point into telehealth, especially if you're starting a treatment plan. But according to real users, the experience can shift dramatically, from responsive and efficient to frustrating and unreliable. If your treatment depends on fast insurance processing or consistent communication, Roman might not be the most dependable choice. Consider this is a try with caution platform. Again, this review is based entirely on publicly available information and user feedback as of 2025. We are not affiliated with Roman and do not offer medical advice. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider before starting any treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.